Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we are tackling a question from the GATE Geology and Geophysics. So let's come to the question first. The question says if a signal is sampled at a sampling rate uh, 0 0.2 ms, then its sampling frequency is dash kilohertz. Okay, so let's solve this. Okay, now before you start sweating, let's address the elephant in the room, that is the geophysics. So it's just physics with more dirt. In the gate world, geophysics is where we use math to see what's underground because we are too lazy to dig a hole all the way to the mantle. Now first, let's look at the terminology. The question says sampling rate is what? Sampling rate is 0 0.2 ms. Okay, but in the most of the textbooks, rate usually means the frequency, but just look at the units. Millisecond. Second measures time, not frequency. So what the examiner actually gave us is the sampling interval. Okay, now imagine you are watching a strobe light in a dark club. Okay, so you only see the dancers when the light flashes. That's sampling. And if the light flashes too slowly, you miss the cool moves or the embarrassing trips. So in geophysics, we sample the seismic waves. Okay, so if we sample too slowly, we don't find the oil, we just find a very expensive bill for a dry hole. Okay, let's come back to the math. We have the time interval TS, that is 0 0.2 millisecond, and we need the frequency Fs. Okay, now the relationship is simpler than your last relationship, that is F is equal to 1 by Ts. Okay, but don't just plug in the numbers yet. The gate examiners are ninjas. They love trapping you with the units, and our interval is in milliseconds. That is 1 millisecond is what? 10 to the power minus 3 seconds. Okay, and they want the answer in kilohertz, that is 10 to the power 3, 10 cube hertz. Okay, so let's convert 0 0.2 millisecond to second first. So 0 0.2 millisecond is what? 0 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 seconds. And now do the calculation. So Fs will be equal to 1 by 0 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So Fs will be what? 1000 by 0 0.2, that is 500 hertz, right? But wait, look at the blank in the question. It asks for the answer in the kilohertz. So to get kilohertz, we divide by 1000. So 5000 hertz is what? 5 kilohertz. So the answer is 5. If you wrote 5000, you just gave the examiner a free gift of your marks. So don't be that student, okay? Now, before I let you go to grab the samosas, I will give you the parallel theory for this, okay? That is the so if our sampling frequency Fs is 5 kilohertz, what is the maximum signal frequency we can record without uh, aliasing, which is a fancy word for the signal disguising itself as a lie? So important rule is F max equal to Fs by 2. Okay, so with this 5 kilohertz sampling frequency, we can safely record the signals up to 2.5 kilohertz. Okay, so this is called the Nyquistic frequency. Okay, So if your seismic wave is vibrating faster than that, your data will look like a Jackson Pollock painting, meaningless and messy. Okay. So if I talk about the sampling interval, TS is what? 0.2 millisecond. Conversion 0.0002 second. And if I talk about the frequency, that is 1 by 0.0002, that is 5000 hertz, and the final answer is 5 kilohertz. Okay, so this was the whole concept behind this question. I hope this is clear to you. If you have still any kind of doubt regarding this question or this concept or any kind of logic things, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible I can. Okay, so see you in the next session with a new question of GATE geology and geophysics, and that will be very important for you. Okay, so see you. Bye bye.